Realme Buds Air 5 Pro truly wireless in-ear earbuds with 50 decibels ANC realBoost Dual Coaxial Drivers, 360 degrees Spatial Audio Effect, LDAC HD Audio, up to 40 hours battery with fast charging. realBoost Dual Drivers. Experience audio perfection with the segment's first coaxial dual driver earbuds. Featuring an 11mm bass driver for punchy lows and a 6mm microplanar tweeter for detailed highs. Rediscover the original beauty of every sound, immersing yourself in rich, detailed music. 50 decibels active noise cancellation. Escape into your own world of sound with the best-in-class ANC for earbuds. Enjoy a remarkable 50 decibels noise reduction effect that takes you away from noise-filled environments. Experience audio like never before and enjoy pure bliss with every beat. 360 degrees spatial audio effects. Immerse yourself in a theater-like experience as sound surrounds you from all directions. With the incredible 360 degrees spatial audio effect, feel fully immersed in a lifelike three-dimensional audio experience that takes your senses to new heights. Up to 40 hours of playback. Get up to 40 hours of battery life, equivalent to 5 hours of daily music playback for a full week without the need to recharge. Say goodbye to frequent charging worries with fast charging technology. Experience the convenience of extended playback, enjoying 7 hours of music with just 10 minutes of charging. 40 milliseconds super low latency. Achieve lightning fast responsiveness with a remarkable 40 milliseconds super low latency. Enjoy a seamless gaming experience, optimized for ultimate performance. Dual device connection. Easily connect and switch between two devices with dual device connection. Whether you are watching a drama on your tablet or receiving a call on your phone, you can seamlessly transfer the call. Simplify your work and life, eliminating the need to constantly change earbuds. IPX5 water resistance. Realme Buds Air 5 Pro features an IPX5 rating for water resistance, making it effective against sweat and splashes. Now you can confidently use the earbuds during workouts or in light rainy conditions without worrying about moisture damage. Box. What is in the box? Charging cable. Ear tip. User manual. If you buy this product, link in description. This product price up to 4,999. Next video coming soon.